iPad mini 7 is likely to support both cellular and Wi-Fi networks for iOS users. Apple has quietly shed light on the development of a game-changer device, acclaimed by iOS users. This news came under development after a coding specialist Nicolás Álvarez discovered clues from the Cupertino-based tech giant's backend software, which confirmed it's working on iPad 7 mini. This mini iPhone hasn't been upgraded after its launch in 2021, and the company hasn't officially announced any launch update yet. But according to a few tech enthusiasts, the upcoming device is expected to feature a large 8.3-inch all-display available in a stellar design, along with a front camera and a chip. Further reports by MacRumors suggested that the iPad mini 7 is likely to support both cellular and Wi-Fi networks. Additionally, it might reduce jelly scrolling, which usually happens after a text and image on one side of the screen leans down. Additionally, the iPad mini 6 is highly compatible with a few other devices such as the Apple Pencil 2. Similarly, the upcoming flagship model is also expected to support the Pencil Pro, which was launched back in May. There are a few issues in iPad mini 6 which have raised users' concerns as they require it to undergo a significant upgrade in the upcoming model, including the Pencil that would easily perform tasks by squeezing and barrel rolling to take notes and craft spectacular designs, and more to provide enhanced user experience, launch date, and pricing. iPad mini launch is expected in the last quarter of the year, most probably in September or October. However, the pricing of the upcoming iPad mini hasn't been revealed yet, but it is expected to be priced the same as its predecessor iPad mini 6, with a starting price of approximately $350.